All right, everyone, the wait is officially over. Apple has lifted the curtain on its 2025 lineup, and the new iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are here. While the leaks gave us a good idea of what was coming, the official announcement has confirmed some of the biggest changes to the iPhone in years. Apple has introduced a truly refreshed design for the Pro Duo, with a brand new, massive horizontal camera bar on the back. But the real story is what's under the hood. We're getting a bigger battery, a vapor chamber for the first time, and a completely new A19 Pro chipset. But are these the only things we care about? Let's break down all the key takeaways. The most obvious change is the new plateau camera bar on the back, a wide, horizontal module that houses a new triple 48-megapixel camera setup. Apple has also dropped titanium in favor of an aluminum chassis, which, along with the new vapor chamber, helps to address those overheating issues we've seen in the past. The displays are also getting an upgrade. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max come with 6.3 and 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR displays, both with ProMotion up to 120 Hz and a record 3,000 nits of peak outdoor brightness. And for the first time, Ceramic Shield is on the back of the phone, with Ceramic Shield 2 on the front for 3 times better scratch resistance. At the heart of the new Pro models is the A19 Pro chipset. Apple is claiming a 40% better sustained performance compared to the A18 Pro thanks to that new vapor chamber cooling system. This new system pulls heat away from the chipset and memory, ensuring the phone runs cooler and more reliably, especially under heavy workloads like high-end gaming and AI tasks. And to keep the lights on, both models are getting larger batteries. While Apple doesn't give out the specific mAh numbers on stage, there are indications that the iPhone 17 Pro has a 3988 mAh battery, and the Pro Max could have a massive 4823 mAh battery. Apple is claiming the best battery life ever on an iPhone, and we'll be sure to test that in our full review. The phones also support faster charging, getting to 50% in just 20 minutes with a high wattage adapter. This is where things get really interesting. The triple 48-megapixel rear camera setup has some surprises. There's a new 4x dedicated telephoto camera that offers up to 8x optical zoom via a clever sensor crop-in technique. That's well over the 5x optical zoom on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Apple is positioning it for portraits and long-range shots. On the front, Apple has debuted a new center stage camera with the first square sensor on an iPhone. It offers up to 18-megapixel resolution and a wider field of view, making it perfect for group selfies that use AI to auto-expand the frame. All of these features, from the new camera system to the vapor chamber cooling and bigger batteries, are clearly designed to support a new era of AI and high-end gaming. The new iOS 26 also brings new features like on-device live translation and an improved visual intelligence system. So, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are a substantial leap forward. We've got a new design, new camera hardware, and some serious under-the-hood performance upgrades. The vapor chamber cooling and the new 8x telephoto zoom are definitely the most intriguing features. For anyone on an iPhone 14 or earlier, this feels like a genuinely worthwhile upgrade. But what do you think? Are you ready to make the jump to the iPhone 17 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.